This video explains how to start a new model in XField. XField can be launched from the XField icon in the top toolbar or by going to Analysis, ARKeX Utilities, then XField. Simply click to launch. The default setting is to open the modelling space in the time domain, as noted at the top of the workspace and by the highlighted T on the sidebar. If you wish to change this, click on the D for depth logo on the toolbar or change in the time depth model menu. Once the correct domain has been selected, we can create a new model. To create a new model, go to File, then click on New Model. XField gives us the option to create a new model from 3D seismic, 2D seismic, an image such as a bitmap, or no seismic. For 3D seismic, the user can specify whether to model an inline or crossline and is required to specify the line number. Alternatively, 2D seismic can be used. In order to use an image, the user is required to select the image, enter the XY coordinates of the image, the start and end times or depths, and a fictitious start and end trace number. The trace number, start and end, will be used to calculate the data positions if and when the model is exported. To model with no seismic or no background image, simply enter the start and end depths and distances. For now, we're going to model a 3D seismic line. We can select the seismic from our OpendTect project, first by specifying the line, then by the stored 3D cube name. It is also possible to extend the model beyond the seismic line dimensions. This can only be undertaken during model specification at the point of model creation, in other words, when you create the model. For now, we're going to use the default, which is the limits of the seismic. The seismic is now displayed in the bottom window. The top three windows are for potential field data. At the top, the GZZ, the middle, the GZ conventional gravity, then the bottom is the magnetic profile data. Labels and units are displayed on the left-hand side of the profile windows. We can display a profile legend by right-clicking on the display and clicking Show Legend in the profile menu. Now we are ready to load our potential field data.